So I keep getting random DMs saying, hey, here's your chance to earn thousands and thousands of rupees just by working 1 hour a day. एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक वाओ, मतलब मैं दिन का कभी कभी 12-12 घंटा क्यों काम करती हूँ थिंकिंग दैट माई चैनल विल ब्लो अप समडे, बट आई कैन जस्ट वर्क फॉर 1 hour a day and earn thousands and thousands of rupees. मतलब ये क्या काम है, प्लीज मुझे भी बताओ, मुझे भी जानना है, एजुकेट मी. Anywho, random rant is over. Back to the episode. Bye. Hello and welcome to the 8th episode of Dimples Out starring Ayushi. I am your host Ayushi Amrute, and today we have someone whose videos must have popped up at least once on your newsfeed. Now he is a renowned Kathak dancer and also a beautiful singer with over 300,000 YouTube subscribers. Please welcome Kumar Sharma. Hi Kumar.
Hello,
Hi.
Namaskar. How are you, Ayushi?
I am good. First of all, I'm just let me tell you that I'm honored to have you on my show. So thank you for being here.
That's really sweet of you. I had to come. I watched your episodes, and those were awesome. And when Anuja asked me, I was waiting for it. When Ayushi is going to call me.
So I know that your first video to ever go viral was your Shape of You Kathak fusion that you made.
Yes.
It's crazy. It's over 4.9 million views currently.
I have to tell you something.
Yeah.
When I uploaded it for the first time, I was thinking, because there were two, three places where, I was thinking sync is not perfect. I just posted it and didn't think about anything. I don't know how many accounts, how many pages shared this video on Facebook, and each page had 5-6 million views in those times. So I got, I think, 1 million view in 1.5 day. I got one
Wait,
more than 1
what?
million view. So I was like, oh my god, what is happening? And then I thought, making video, it's not a joke. It's really, really big. If it goes viral, it can do magic for you. So then I started videos after that.
Yeah, and you're doing great. You're doing great. Let me tell you that. And
thank you, Ayushi. Thank you so much.
That's what I was going to ask you. How did you actually feel when you realized that, it was blowing up all over the internet, and you might be getting texts from people that you might not even know, like saying, hey, you're awesome. And what was that feeling like then?
Because it was happening for the first time. It was a very, very nice experience, of course.
Yeah.
I used to get hundreds of messages every day.
Wow.
And out of which, like 20 messages were like this, that, sir, we have started learning Kathak after watching this video. And like that was my motto actually, because we have given so many years to one dance form, or वो mainstream में कब आएगा? When people will start taking up classical dance as their career. But of course, big gurus say till now that you are doing it very wrong. But according to if because of me, at least अगर 100 में से अगर 10 लोग भी they are taking Kathak, then I feel very happy from inside. So that's
Of course.
my
Yes, yes, and it's just amazing to watch you promote the true essence and the true essence of cultural styles in India. So I know that you're also like originally you're from Ludhiana, right?
Yeah. Right now also I'm so before the lockdown only, my dad was like, आता है कि नहीं आता तू, जल्दी आ जा. So I was like, ये तो warning है, अभी नहीं पड़ेगा. And I just took the next flight and I came down here.
But then when did you decide कि आप Mumbai shift होने वाले हो? And what made you actually do that? Like, what was your intention behind moving here?
So basically, I'll tell you. After my graduation, so graduation के पहले ही मैंने एक शो किया था, चकदुम
Yes.
बूम ग्रुप चैलेंज. So then we form auditions में हमने form किया group. So basically जो कथक रॉकर्स हैं वो सब मेरे पास सीखते थे यहाँ पे. मेरा डांस स्कूल था लुधियाना में, पंजाब में. So they used to learn from me, and then we saw this advertisement on television, and I thought, why not? We can just try. And I told them also, we are not going to get selected for sure, but let's go for experience. We gave auditions in Delhi को क्रॉस कर लिया हमने. और मुझे लगता है आज मतलब ऐसी अभी अगर मैं मैच करूं तो मेरे पास ऐसी कोई भी खुशी नहीं है जितनी खुशी हमको हुई थी जब हम दिल्ली में सिलेक्ट. Oh my God, we were shouting, we were running from here to there.
I feel you, yeah.
And Bombay में जाके we came in top 12, and that was again इतनी बड़ी हमारे लिए खुशी थी कि हम top 12 में आ गए इंडिया. wow. And then और अगले दिन उन्होंने हमको प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए बुलाया. We went to Taj. अभी भी मुझे याद है. And we thought our life is changed now. We are stars. But after eliminating from the show, then we realized, no, this is nothing. We are same, and nothing is changed. And this was one thing, which happened to me after the show, that I decided that I don't want to stay here. I want to make my career in Mumbai. तो उस शो के बाद मैंने मॉम डैड से बात किया, I want to go to Mumbai. उनको लगा कि अभी नया शौक है, अभी आया है तो हट जाएगा शौक तो. So लेकिन I was very serious, and they said चलो ठीक है, आप you finish your graduation and then you do your masters there. I said okay, and I finished my graduation, and the next day I was like, I have to go there.
Wow.
And I was like, he's serious, okay. And then he said, you have 2 years, okay, while you do your masters. ये 2 साल में अगर तुम्हारा कुछ होता है मुंबई में, then it's okay. Otherwise you come back. You have to come back. 2 साल के बाद send you money. I said okay. I had my dance school here, so I never asked for money from my dad. But then after going to Mumbai, I had to ask for money from my dad because, and every day I used to pray, यार कहीं से तो मुझे कोई private class मिल जाए, कोई कहीं पे तो मैं सिखाऊं, कुछ करूं, I should start. And I went to do my masters in dance there, but I ended up doing masters in music vocal. Because dance की masters के लिए जहाँ पे मैं गया था, they said you can't do any shows outside, you can't do any TV show. There were so many restrictions, and I said I have these 2 years only. Yeah. So जैसिम भैया जिनकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, जिनके भरोसे मैं मुंबई चला गया था, जिनके साथ मैं अभी भी रहता हूँ. So he was staying in Mumbai University's hostel, and he's a very good ghazal singer. So he's I think one of the finest ghazal singers I know. And he said, yeah, you are a singer also. You have learned classical music. You need a place to stay, right? You want to settle in Mumbai, right? I said, yes. He said, chalo theek hai, you give auditions in Masters of Music Vocal. And if you're selected, you get the seat. Then you'll get the hostel. Your रहने का situation is sorted.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there were 70 people who were auditioning for it. And there were only 8 seats. And I still remember I sang Rag Bihar for the auditions, and I got selected, luckily. And I got hostel, and my Rehna was sorted in Mumbai, and I was so happy. And I still remember we did a party of 500 rupees.
This brings us to the first game of this episode, Kumar.
Okay, I'm nervous.
It's called Never Have I Ever. Okay.
Never have I ever, okay.
Alright, do you know how to play this game? Have you ever played this game?
No, I haven't heard this.
I'll tell you what. Basically, it's very simple. I ask you a question, and then if you want to say you have, then you give like a self high five. And if you say that you never have, then you give like a thumbs down with a sound. Alright?
Okay.
That's how it goes. Are you ready?
Okay. Yeah. And my heartbeat is getting fast. Okay.
That's fun. Okay. First question.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Never have I ever had an awkward interaction with a fan.
Mm.
How awkward was it?
Oh my god. Oh my god. तो मेरी मैनेजर को अभी because her number is there, no?
Yeah, everywhere.
Accounts, social media accounts पे सब जगह पे. So she tells me how many people like people just randomly call her and says, you know, हमको please कुमार सर से अभी बात करनी है, अभी बात कराओ. मैं रियल हूँ, मैं रियल में एक बंदा हूँ, मैं उनसे बात करना चाहती हूँ. She says, हाँ, I know you are talking, you are some बंदा only, but like she always हर रोज वो मुझे रात को कॉल करती है मैनेजर to tell me about the whole day, and she has different stories to tell every day. Oh my god.
I think next should be your agent on this show. Like she would have more stories probably. Next one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Never have I ever given someone a fake phone number.
Oh my god, you have उफ मुझे पहले पता होता था ना कि आपने ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं. मैं पहले ही बोल देता था मुझे ये क्वेश्चन नहीं चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए. But
I won't ask you, don't worry. I won't ask you who that was. It's a good thing to admit though. Yeah. People feel like अच्छा ये मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ या मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ जो ये सब करता हूँ.
जो ये सब करता है मैंने भी किया. Okay. But no, twice.
I don't even remember how many times I have done that. It's not a good thing.
Oh, wow.
I'm not proud of it, but I had to just, yeah, I mean.
No, then now I'm feeling okay. A number of times.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, next one.
Yeah.
Yes. Never have I ever done a collab with someone I did not like.
Please don't ask me. I you know, after doing that, later I definitely मुझे लगा कि यार ना करता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा था. But हो गया, चलो ठीक है. That's it.
Yeah, I feel you again. Yeah, no further talks on this one. Next one.
Yeah, no. Next one, yes.
Never have I ever broken up with someone.
सबके साथ होता है, इसमें चलो शर्माने की जरूरत नहीं है.
All right, this is the last one.
Yeah. Okay.
Never have I ever lied in this game on my show.
क्या था?
We finally get the last one.
Yeah, क्या आवाज भी निकाली थी ना कौन सी?
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
Yeah, it's that.
I got it.
You got it. Yes. So, good job, Kumar. I'm proud of you. Thank you for being so honest with me. You are doing so much right now, content-wise, like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, सब जगह पे content जा रहा है, अपना नए videos जा रहे हैं. I wanted to know, like, what is a regular day in your life?
You know, inside, I was thanking this lockdown because I never got actually my time. Because always my day starts and we start rehearsing. Of course, first thing in my day is doing gym. I come back and then I take breakfast, and then Kathak rockers are already warmed up upstairs.
Wow.
And rehearsing. Sometimes they don't. They are here and they are just laughing. Okay. Then we start rehearsals. तो general days में क्या होता है? I'm not talking about this lockdown thing. मतलब कोरोना के बाद का मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं इसके पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो general days में यही होता है कि we have like in a month we have 4 to 5 shows का average है.
What?
So
Okay.
yeah. So
Wow.
keep rehearsing for one show to other. And I also have to manage my Mumbai work with the shows. So my travel is like you won't believe. I think in a month I used to come here before Corona. I used to come in Ludhiana at least 4 or 5 times because हम यहाँ पे आता हूँ मैं because I can't call all the Kathak rockers to Mumbai.
Yeah.
So यहाँ आता हूँ. We rehearse for the show. We travel from Delhi. And then from the show only I go back to Mumbai. And if there is no time in between or only 2-3 days are there, then I directly come here from show and then we rehearse for our other show. Then I go there. So rehearsal चलती है, फिर lunch break होता है, फिर coffee break होता है, और इनके जाने के बाद then I have some time for me. Then I do my जो भी मेरा ऑनलाइन काम रहता है, मेरी पोस्टिंग होती है, मेरी एडिटिंग्स रहते हैं, then I do that. Then मैं मतलब हर रोज रात को ये हमारा रूटीन है मॉम डैड मेरा कि हम लोग we take हल्दी दूध because it's very good for everyone.
How sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, so तो हल्दी दूध वाला जो टाइम होता है वो हम I think आधा घंटा 45 minutes it's with my mom dad. I talk with them. हम लोग खूब सारी बातें करते हैं and पूरा दिन डिस्कस करते हैं and then I sleep. So this is my most of the time it's my day. But Mumbai में every day your day changes. So this is my day. But why I thank lockdown, because I got my time. From so long I wanted to do Riyaz, which finally happened in this lockdown. There was so much traveling that I couldn't do Riyaz, and finally I have made a 2 hours ka new show,
Wow.
which is basically in Tal Dhamar. So I'm just still thinking, because the second half will be the fusion and first half will be the pure Kathak. There will be so many themes connected to it and there will be so much in it.
Yeah.
Of course, everyone should wait.
I am excited now. I can't wait for you to launch this, and I can't wait to watch this. So that's
Thank you
great
so much.
news.
Thank you,
All the
Ayushi.
best for it.
Yeah.
And
Thank you, Ayushi. Thank you so much.
yeah, so talking about like your work day, it's really hectic, I must say that. Like while you're producing so much content and so much of it goes online, there's
Yeah.
this certain image that's been formed about you, like when people look at your Instagram feed, they think that you're this well cultured boy who respects traditions, and who is also like who's also very religious. So is I know it's a weird thing to ask, but are you like just like that in real life as well? Like,
Yes, it is. It is so true. Because we are Brahmins. I come from a Brahmin family, and we are Saraswat Brahmins. And I was 3 years old when I sang my first bhajan in my school. So it was that. And till now, I am a very, very big follower of Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu, they are saying. So basically, I read Bhagavad Gita every day. That's what I do, which
wow.
I tell everyone. The second thing you were asking me about traditions. Of course. So, I didn't choose this dance form. It just came to my life. But in my childhood, I didn't know that, these are our traditions and this form is cultural and this is not cultural. But I think God chose me to do this. And out of passion, I started doing रियाज, so much रियाज. मुझे याद है रातों को भी मुझे डांट पड़ती थी मम्मी को, हर वक्त क्या तेरे पैर चलते रहते, हाथ चलते रहते. But yeah, it happened and God chose me. So I'm very, very lucky. Again, I will say that so many people think, of course, the big gurus, that, we are doing a wrong thing. But this is my thinking, that if we want to bring youngsters to the dance form, then definitely we need something to attract them. of course, they know that this fusion is not, we won't be able to do it till the time we start learning Kathak.
Of course, it's so great to know that, it's actually how it is. And it's just, you are such an amazing person, Kumar. I just say that you do you, and I'm sure that you're already on the right path, and you're just going higher and higher and higher. So
That's so sweet of you, Ayushi. Thank
yes.
you so much.
It's time for us to play the second game of this episode.
Second game, and again, I'm nervous.
It's called Speak About This for a Minute.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yes. So basically, I have a bowl full of chits. Okay, there are 5 chits in here, and these are your topics. Okay, so you pick a number from 1 to 5, and that will be your topic, and you have to speak about that topic for a minute.
2.
All right, you choose 2. Let's see what your topic is.
Yes, okay, I'm nervous.
All right, your topic is noisy neighbors.
Oh, people must be thinking this about us.
Your time starts now. Go.
So in this case, I think मैं ही हूँ वो noisy neighbor. So I will just say nice things about noisy neighbors क्योंकि मैं ही हूँ. So basically जो noisy neighbors रहते हैं उनको बिल्कुल भी noise नहीं करनी चाहिए, दूसरों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए क्योंकि noisy neighbors होने से noise pollution हो जाता है. Am I saying it right? और noise pollution होने से बहुत सारे लोग बीमार हो सकते हैं और जिनको हार्ट अटैक है उनको हार्ट अटैक आ सकता है. So please जो भी noisy neighbors हैं वो अपनी noise को कम करें. हो गया 1 मिनट.
5, 4, 3,
Okay.
2.
So please stop noisy neighbors. Oh my God.
And your time's up. Oh my God.
Yeah, it was so much fun, yaar.
Clap for yourself. You deserve it.
No, I deserve 3 very slow claps. Because it was so bad.
This sadly brings us to the end of this episode, Kumar. Thank you so much for coming on my show. I had a blast. I hope you did too.
I never thought it's going to be this amazing and itna maza aane wala hai. Thank you so much, Ayushi, for calling me again.
If you're up to watch some amazing Kathak content, go ahead and follow Kumar everywhere. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything to say to us, drop it down in the comment section right now. Thank you so much for watching the 8th episode of Dimples Out starring Ayushi. I am your host, signing off. I will see you next Saturday with a new episode. Thank you and bye-bye.